My name is Eva Meijer. I'm a writer, philosopher, and visual artist. I'm a member of the Multispecies Collective, which is a multi-species art collective. We work together with non-human animals and also create art for non-humans. I write many books, non-fiction, fiction, novels, also poetry, and I do academic work. I work at the University of Amsterdam, and I'm here now at the University of Gießen. I work on a lot of different themes, but recurring topics are language. I'm very interested in language and the possibilities of language, non-human animals, politics, and I also combine these topics. Lately, I've been working on multi-species dialogues and multi-species assemblies. The title of my project is Multispecies Assemblies. And there are currently many kinds of assemblies all around the world. So one popular model now is citizens' assemblies, in which humans come together to deliberate about a question of common concern. But all these existing assemblies have one shortcoming. They only exist out of humans. And we know now that non-human animals also act politically and sometimes form communities with humans, but at least co-shape relationships. We know that plants and other living beings that are not animals also express themselves and co-shape the common worlds that we share with them. We know that there are other groups that have interests, like future generations, perhaps also natural entities. And all of these should be heard and represented in assemblies, and where possible, they should speak for themselves. In my project here in Gießen, I will work on multi-species assemblies, and I will investigate, for example, animal deliberation, questions of representation, diplomacy, in order to sketch a fuller picture of what multi-species assemblies can entail, and also how we can enact them in the real world. For the conference, I will be speaking with two guests, Angie Pepper, who's a philosopher working on politics, agency, and non-human animals, and Jason Wade, who's a curator and writer. And we will all present something about political animal agency. Angie and I have known each other for a long time. We always disagree about what political agency is and whether or not non-human animals are capable of it. We will discuss that philosophically, and then Jason will say something about the political agency of non-human animals in Fukushima. I'm really excited to be part of this panel for planetary studies. I really like the fact that everybody's working on different topics, that I can learn from the other fellows and also the people from the panel. I really am also very enthusiastic about the woods in the area, and my dog companion Doris is as well. So I'm hoping to have a good research stay here and not only work on the things that I know that I want to work on, but also be surprised by what comes up in the discussions with others, and the opportunity of being here and really focusing on research for 3 months.